If you are wondering if we have Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer is yes. You can easily connect your Galaxy A57 with your car if your car supports Android Auto. So in order to do that, we can open Settings, then over here proceed to Connected Devices, and then here we should be able to find Android Auto. We can tap on Connect a Vehicle in order to find our first instruction. You have to just simply use a USB cable and connect your phone to your car. If your car supports wireless Android Auto, then of course we can choose this option over here, connect using wireless Android Auto. And then we have additional instruction where we can use a button, a voice command button in order to begin the setup. You can also just tap on connect using Bluetooth instead, and then we have pair a vehicle in the bottom right corner. This allows us to jump into the Bluetooth settings. So in here you should be able to find your car on this list of available devices, and you should be able to connect your phone to your car. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.